So the first smoothie I am sharing today is a chocolate peanut butter smoothie, and I'm first of all starting with some frozen bananas before adding in some crunchy peanut butter. Then I added in 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. By the way, all of the measurements will be down in the description below. I added in some maca powder as well as some Himalayan pink salt, followed by some cashew milk before putting the lid on and blending it all together. As you can see, this is a really creamy and decadent smoothie, and personally I love to start my day with something chocolatey, so I am especially loving this